Closing to Woody Woodpecker and closing to Woody Woodpecker and Friends, 1987 VHS. Now see it better. Now see it better. Enjoy. Need to rewind the last few seconds, okay? Enjoy. And pretty, that's it. It's almost a white screen of death coming up in the morning sound. What is that? Super whale. You hear the fart sound. Ha ha! It's super whale. That sounds got crazy. And there's like screen of death's coming up. It takes too long. There's a line of death. Wait, I need to fast forward. I need to fast forward to closing version. Waiting for the white screen to death. It takes a fast forward. It's taken a long time. It's waiting to white screen to death. Come on. Let's take the fast forward. Line of death. And white screen, need to rewound. Watching happens. I hear the noise. It's okay. Wait, I hear the noise. Ding, 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 ding. Super well. Enjoy. It's almost white screen to death. 3, 2. Now it's cut. 1. Let's load the clicking tone. The clicking tones. Oh, and that's it. Tapes closing. That's it. Now the morning sound time. Now the fast forward to morning sound. You hear the morning sound. Here we come. Morning sound's coming up. And that's it! All done! That's it. Thanks for watching.